Class 4, Chapter 2, Addition and Subtraction. So here in the Chapter 2, we have discussed about the problems about addition and problems about subtraction. We already solved this type of problems in the previous classes, in the class 1st, 2nd and 3rd. So let us discuss question number 1 of exercise 2A. Question 1, add the following. So places are given here. Ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Number is given in ones place 3, tens place 5, 100 place 1, and 1000 place 8, and 10,000 place 2. And next number is ones place 2, tens 4, hundreds 3, 1000 0, and 10,000 4. So when we add from the right side. So 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, then 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4. So when we add 5 and 4, so we have 9. Next 100 place, we have 1 and 3. So when we add 3 plus 1, so we have 4. Next 1000 place, 8 plus 0. So when we have 0 in any number or a digit, so we get the same number or digit. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 10,000 place, we have 2 and 4. 2 plus 4, we have 6. So that is the addition of the given numbers. Same like we have to solve the very part of question number 1. Now question number 2, write in columns and add. So numbers are given. First you have to arrange in columns, then add. First number is 1,55,241. Second number is 5,11,423. And the third number is 22,330. So when we add from the right side. 3 plus 1 plus 0. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 0, so we already get 4. 4. Next, 4 plus 2 and plus 3. So 4 plus 2, 6, and 6 plus 3. So we have 9. Then 2 plus 4, 6. And plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, then 5, 1 and 2, so 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8, so we have 8, and then 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8, then 5 plus 1, so we have 6. Then the addition of the given 3 numbers. Now we have common exercise 2B. Here also we have addition of 5 and 6 digit numbers with regrouping, carry over. Here we have carry over. In the previous exercise we have not carry over. So here question 1, again add. Positions are given. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 25,969, and second number is 11,111. So again we add from the right side. First place 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. Carry out 1. 9 plus 1, 10, and carry out 1. Then we add the tens place, so we add carry also. So 6 plus 1, 7, and 7 plus 1, 8. Then hundreds place, we have 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1, 10, 0, and carry out 1. Then add thousand place, so 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. Now 10,000 place, 2 and 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So we have 37,080 as a sum. Now question number 2. Here arrange in columns and add together. Write the sum obtained in words, which we have got. In addition, you have to write in the form of words. First you add 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7, and 9 plus 2, 11, carry out 1, and 7 to 9, and 9 plus 1, 10. So we obtain as a sum ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So 1 lakh 1,734. So when we write in words, first we have to know about the positions of the every digits. So write in words 1 lakh 1,000 700 734. This is the form of words of the given numeral. Next number 3. Given in the words, you have to write in numeral form. Then you have to add question number 3b. The greatest 4-digit number and greatest 5-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number and greatest 5-digit number. So we know greatest 5-digit number is 5 times 9. That is the greatest 5-digit number, and greatest 4-digit number 4 times 9. 4 times 9. Then we have to add both numbers. To add from the ones place, 9 plus 9, 18. 1 is carry over. Then 9 plus 1, 10. And 10 plus 9, 19. Carry out 1. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Carry out 1. again 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 9 19, carry out 1, then 9 plus 1 10. So we have to have the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. So we get 1,09,998 as the sum of the given numbers. So students, we have to solve exercise to be same like these questions. Students, class 4. Now we have discussed about word problems which are based on addition. Because we have already in the previous exercise 2a and 2b know about additions. So now we discuss word problems related to addition. So exercise 2c, look at question number 1. 3,291 applications were received by company for a job through post, and 7,888 applications were received online. So find out how many total applications were received by the company for the job. So number of applications received by post, number of applications received by post equal 3,291. 3,291 and number of applications received by online equal 7,888. 7,888. Then total number of applications equal, you have to add number of applications received by post and number of applications received by online. When we add both the numbers, we get the total number of applications. So add 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 is carry, then 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 plus 8, 11. Again carry 1, 3, 1, 4, and 4 plus 7, 11. So thus total number of applications is 11,179. Total number of application is 11,179. Now question number 2. Maria bought a second-hand car for ₹4,44,400. She spent ₹80,000 on its renewal and accessories. How much did it cost to her? So Same like question number 1, you have to add cost of car and plus she spent on renewal and accessories. You have to add both the numbers. You get the total cost given by Maria. Now question number 3, also a problem. There are 39,125 men and 38,500 women and 48,345 children in a town. Find the total population of the town. So we have to add number of men plus number of women and plus number of children. So we get the total population of the town. So number of men is 39,425. 39,425 are men and number of women is 38,500. 38,500 and number of children equal 48,345. 48,345. Then total population of the town. Total population equal, we have to add number of men plus number of women plus number of children. So we get the total population of the town. So now we add from the right side 5 plus 0 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 0 is 10. Carry out 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 0 equal to 3. 3 plus 4 7. Then 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 3 12. Carry out 1. Then 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 8 26. Carry out 2. So 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 3 8. And 8 plus 4 12. So this number is the total population of the town, 1,26,270. That is the population of the town. When we add number of men plus number of women and plus number of children, so we get the total population 1,26,270. Now question number 4. Question number 4. A garment factory made 24,608 red t-shirt, 18,432 blue t-shirt and 30,005 black t-shirt in 3 consecutive weeks. Consecutive means लगातार, without any gap. In 3 consecutive weeks respectively. How many t-shirts were made in these 3 weeks? So you have to add number of red t-shirt plus number of blue t-shirt and plus number of black t-shirt. So we have to get total number of t-shirt were made by factory in these 3 consecutive weeks. Now question number 5. A valley covers 3,560 square meters area for farming. The remaining area of the valley is 2,956 square meter. Find the total area of the valley. Find the total area of the valley. So again we have add both the numbers. So area covers for farming. Area covers for farming is equals to 3,560 square meter. 3,560 square meter. That the area covered for farming. And the remaining area equal 2,956. 2,956. Then total area of the valley. Total area of the valley equals, so we have to add area for farming and remaining area of the valley. So we get our total area of the valley. So add 0 plus 6, so we get 6. 6 plus 5, we have 11, carry out 1. 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 9, 15, carry out 1. 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 plus 2, 6. So we have 6,516 as a sum. Thus total area of the valley is 6,516 square meter. 6,516 square meter. That is the total area of the valley. Now question number 6. Two sisters, Kasti and Kasvi, went for shopping. Each earned 25,750 rupees. Father gave each of them a gift voucher worth 1,350 rupees. So how much total amount do they have now for shopping? So each carry 25,750 and each of them have a gift voucher 1,350. So we have to add the given value. Each have करीब 25,750 25,750 each carry, and each of them have a gift voucher 1,350 and 1,350. So when we add 0, 5 4 times, so we have 20. 2 has carry. 7 to 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 3 19. 19 plus 3 22. Again carry out 2. 5 to 7. 7 5 12. 12 plus 2 14. Carry out 1. 2 to 4 1 5. So we have 54,200 as a total amount. 54,200 rupees are the total amount both sisters have. So this is the exercise to see later on word problems. You have to solve by the given statements.